pie, we're gonna do the Sini Küfte. Sini Küfte is the Mediterranean, Levantine, Armenian kibbeh, which is meat from up and down, meat with bulgur, and inside we have the minced meat. This minced meat, if you want to know how we do it, you can watch my video before. And it's perfect, it's for everything. It's very easy, fast, and yummy. You can have it cold, meza, main dish, with yogurt, with onion, you name it. Just play with it and enjoy it. What we need is, we need bulgur, the red pepper flakes, you have the salt, the cinnamon, and the 7 spices. And meat. You buy the minced meat, you put in your food processor, you mix it fast with 2 ice, you will get this. You will get like the soft, silky meat, okay? So what we're gonna start with is we're gonna mix our bulgur together. We're gonna put water in it. And we're gonna knead it, okay? My Aunt Mariam is the queen of these. So today, I invited Mariam to help me to do my kibbeh. I learned from her, and she's gonna lead me on this also. Now I'm gonna add my spices, the red pepper, salt. I like to have a little bit of cinnamon, and 7 spices. Voila. Give a nice knead. Now that my bulgur is ready, I will add my meat. And we knead it now until we have a nice smooth dough. Look, I have a nice dough, thick. I can shape it, round it, whatever I want with it. What I like to add now is my pepper paste. Now what we're gonna do is divide our dough into 2. Meet my Mariam, my hokkur. We will put a little bit of oil under. You can put butter, you can put fats, whatever you want, just underneath. What we're gonna do is make small patties and put it down to start to do the kibbeh from down. We will add now minced meat inside because this will give the taste. It's juicy, it's all of the white onion inside. It's gonna give you all the taste. Now we're gonna put these up. Now, she's cutting between the pan and the meat so that the water evaporates and it has crispiness. So she's cutting around the meat and between the meat and the pan for 2 reasons. One's the water and anything left over of water, onion water and anything to evaporate. And the second, we're gonna put some fat on it, whether it is butter, ghee, or I'm using a vegetable oil. So this goes inside. It should go deep inside so that it's cooked. So now we're making our pie. The Sini Küfte is like a pie, beautiful. What you do is portion your pie. You know, you cut 4, then we cut another one, so you have 8 nice slices of pie. I will put this in the oven, 300 degrees, 15 to 20 minutes, and we're gonna have fun eating it. See? Look, the layers and the meat inside, it's beautiful. I love the freshness, the silkiness of the yogurt with the kibbeh. It's yummy, it's so easy, it's fast. Just try it, it's so yummy.